So here's another day on the 5-minute chart with those special divergences from yesterday's video using the Chaikin oscillator and the DMI, looking for divergences. We had a bunch start to build up pre-market before the New York Open. Then we had a nice move down coming right up to the New York Open. At the New York Open, the Heikin-Ashi turned green, and I've got the XXX painting the background. That was green all morning long. And then we got some divergences up here. Got a decent pullback. And one more divergence up here at the tippy top. Very nice pullback. And then nothing else until the Asian session. We got some double divergence down here. And we had a nice pullback up to the 100 SMA. So again, not too many signals, but they seem to be pretty potent from what I've back tested so far. I did not get to trade the morning session today. I just hopped on and found a little short trade here in the Asian session. We had this big full-bodied candle to the downside here. Then we got a pullback back up to the 20 SMA. Started wicking off of the 20. The XXX background turned red. We just got some signals on the signal counter here. Starting to get a little drop off after this 4 signal. We just popped down over 10 points to the midnight level. We had a pretty big sell-off right at the Asian Open there. Then it retraced a little bit over 50%. Had some signal counter signals building up here. Heikin-Ashi turned green. We just popped back up to VWAP. I got in on a little scalp long. I saw all of these divergences building up. The Chaikin and the DMI divergences on the 1 minute. Then we started breaking above the 9 SMA. And we popped back up to the 20. And now VWAP. I hopped into another short with a couple of micros. We pulled back up to the midnight level. I took a bounce trade off of the midnight level. Got like 8 points or so. Added some more micros to the pile. We got this gap back here that looking like it might get filled. Just got into another short. We had a 7 signal appear. Momentum turned bearish. Got into a short. We just popped down over 15 points. I got another 5 or so. Just got into another short. We had a 5 signal appear on the signal counter. Momentum was down. I went for the break below VWAP. We just popped down over 8 points. I think I got another 5. Going for smaller targets here in the Asia session. Just trading the micros. Just got into yet another short. We had a bunch of signal counter signals building up. Actually got short back here. Was looking to target the midnight level again. Had my take profit a little bit above. A few minutes earlier, we had this triple signal on the signal counter. Heikin-Ashi turned green. Had a nice close above VWAP and the 20 and the midnight level. Got a nice little pop up there. Then the signal counter signals started coming into the downside. I was also noticing on the 1 minute chart, we had a double divergence with the Chaikin and the DMI back here. We got value area high from the volume profile, just a little bit above. And we've had a nice pullback. See, London just opened. Got some signal counter signals here. Nice little pop back up to the 20. Had a bunch of divergences on the 1 minute as well. Nice pop up. Love it when there's a bunch of confluence with the signal counter, divergences, whatever else I'm looking at. Had a couple of rare appearances of the divergences on the 5 minute chart here at around 220. We had a very healthy move down. Just got into another short. We were coming down. It looked like we were about to test the pivot point. Pulled back up to the London Open. That looked like a good spot to get in short. We were still red on the XXX on the 1 minute. Higher time frame was red. Just pulled down to yesterday's New York Open. Getting a little hold up right there. Just got into one final short for the evening. Had a signal counter signal fire off here. We pulled back up to the London Open. The momentum started turning bearish. Hopped into a little short there. Looking to pull back to the 20 in the pivot point here. Had this big move down at London Open. We retraced almost to the 20 on the 5 minute. Still bearish on the XXX. There are links in the description if you're interested in learning more. you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is absolutely amazing. Thanks so much for the support. Apex still has 80% off. Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and TradeDay all have great deals. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.